Saving time is about using it wisely and efficiently. Here are some tips to help you manage your time better. Set clear goals. Break big goals into smaller, manageable tasks and set deadlines for each one. Prioritize tasks by identifying what is most important and urgent. Create a to-do list. Write down tasks daily or weekly to keep track of what needs to be done. Use apps like Google Keep, Trello, or Notion to organize and manage your list. Avoid multitasking. Focus on completing one task at a time to ensure better quality and faster results. Multitasking can lead to mistakes, which can waste time in the long run. Limit distractions. Turn off notifications on your phone or computer when working. Set specific times to check social media or messages instead of constantly checking. Set time limits. Use a timer to dedicate a set amount of time to each task. The Pomodoro technique is a great way to stay productive. Learn to say no. Don't overcommit to things that don't align with your goals. Politely decline tasks or events that would take time away from your priorities. Delegate or automate tasks. If possible, delegate less critical tasks to others or use apps to automate repetitive tasks. For example, use automatic bill payments or calendar reminders. Reflect and improve. At the end of each day or week, review how you spent your time. Identify areas where you lost time and